Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay.
So what is today's phrase?
Today's phrase is this.
It is, that guy is hitting on you, isn't he? So what is that in Japanese?
彼ってあなたのこと誘ってるわよね。
So this is what you would say, especially like among girls, I guess, to their friend, if a guy is kind of flirting with them or something. Like they're at a bar and like a guy's trying to like flirt with their friend, and be like, hey, that guy is flirting with you or hitting on you, isn't he?
Right?
Yeah.
So New York, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of famous hitting party.
Hitting party? Hitting party?
What does it mean, hitting party?
That sounds very violent. Yeah, that sounds violent.
So it has to be hit on.
Yeah, it has to be hit on. Yeah.
If it's a hit, just a punch, right?
Yeah, if you just say, oh, that guy is hitting you, then that means that someone's
Don't
like
do
punching
that.
you, yeah.
Yes.
Be careful, it's actually a big difference in meaning. Yeah.
So how about you? Lots of guys hit on you.
Yeah, you.
You. Yes.
You.
I hit it.
Yes,
on
you hit on
you.
me. Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
We met on the street. Yes, that's pretty.
That sounds so shady if you say it like that. Oh god.
But you're very, very kind.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And
Yeah.
you had like a Japanese style bag.
Mm-hmm. That's true, I did.
What was that on it? Like a Japanese character on the back.
Yes, it did,
So I
yeah.
was wondered. I
Yeah.
asked you.
You were curious?
Yes. You are very kind. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
I'm not usually like that, okay?
Yes.
Usually, if a guy's hitting on me on the street, I'll be like, oh, go away.
Yeah.
No, I don't say go away, but I'm just like, I ignore them.
I wonder what are they gonna say? Come
What?
to you, and what's the first word they say to you?
Oh,
Just a
usually,
hi or-
yeah, usually they'll be like, hi, how are you? My name is blah, blah, blah. I just noticed you walking down the street, and you look very nice, blah, blah. They'll usually start off something like that.
Okay.
Very often, yeah.
That's too long.
Yeah.
Too busy, New York people just walking.
Right? I'm like trying to get somewhere, and they're just like,
introduce you?
hmm?
Hi, I'm gonna introduce myself, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, they'll ask my name too, obviously.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever. But what do you think? So if maybe Japanese people come here, want to talk some beautiful girl, what they should say? You have some idea?
Well, first of
Opinion.
all, don't talk to anyone who looks like obviously busy. Like, sometimes I'm walking really fast and I have my headphones in, so I obviously don't want to be bothered.
Yeah.
And guys will like still try to talk to me. I'm like, I'm obviously trying to go somewhere, like I have to work or something or do some chores. I don't want to talk to you right now.
Wow.
So don't do that. When you talked to me, I was like kind of coming back from a party. I was walking slowly and I didn't have any earphones in, so that was fine. But like, yeah, don't bother someone who's like obviously busy, first of all. But yeah, other than that, like, I don't know. What can you say?
Okay.
Maybe just start some small talk like you did,
But
I guess.
Actually, can say opposite things. I mean, some of my friend, Japanese girl, right? So some of them expecting if come to New York, maybe lots of guys gonna hitting on you. Yeah, but
Yeah.
some of my friend totally disappointed cause no one hit on her. She asked me why. I've heard in New York lots of guys come to me. I've never got experience. So that means you said. So don't hit on someone in a very hurry, right?
Yeah.
So actually, if a Japanese girl come to New York and want to experience like that, maybe should be walk very slow, right?
Maybe not even just that. I wouldn't depend on like being hit on the street or anything. If you really want to be hit on by guys, you should like go to a bar or something.
Yeah, of course.
You know? Yeah.
Bar kind of like a little bit shitty because some old guy drunk. Street much I think better was not drinking, you know.
Maybe try to go to like a more high-end place then. Like maybe if you go to like kind of a low-end bar that's like very like dirty or something like that, maybe more shady people are gonna be there, but maybe if you go to a more high-class place you can pick up a more high-class guy, I guess.
Okay.
That's what I imagine in my head. I don't do that.
Where they can meet high-class guy?
Like at a more expensive or fancy bar or something like that, maybe.
You think?
I would think so, yeah.
Okay.
Possibly. I'm saying like possibly.
It's an expensive bar.
Well, because I mean, like obviously,
like a hotel, like an expensive.
Yeah.
That's actually a good idea.
No, that's what I'm saying. Because like some bars are really expensive though compared to others. So obviously, the only people who go there are the ones who can afford it, right? So that's what I mean. And in comparison, there's like bars that are more cheap. So maybe you find shadier characters there. So. That's what I'm saying. If you want to pick up a rich guy or something, maybe try that. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a good idea. If you want to hit on from American people, maybe you should go to. I suggest you maybe hotel. No? Very expensive hotel here.
Yeah.
All the time they have a lounge.
Yeah, like a rooftop lounge or something. Yeah.
Top floor, and you just sit down and yourself. Maybe some guide and even offer a drink.
Yeah, actually, that's very common though.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay.
Let's do that.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm already in a relationship with you.
Yes.
It's okay. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so I'll say it slowly first, and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. That guy is hitting on you. Isn't he? Okay, so a little bit faster now. That guy is hitting on you. Isn't he? Alright, and one more time at normal speed. That guy is hitting on you, isn't he? And that's it.
Yep.
How'd you do? Did you do okay?
Sounds good.
Yay. So thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you have any suggestions for one of our next videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
質問等ありましたらコメント欄に残してください。お答えします。それとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you and see you next time.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.